What up? Castles and beer!
A bumbling tourist UK adventure vlog series.
What up, Internet? I'm Jags.
I'm Molly.
Yeah, we made it to Edinburgh.
We did.
Check it out.
We're gonna go explore and stuff after we finish these teas. Because that's important right there.
Yes, Lord.
Yes, Lord. The vegetarian haggis, and you've got the real deal over there, right? Yeah. Let's try this stuff.
What up, innocent gun?
What up, Black Isle Goldfinch? And the magical garbage bins. And the magical crane. Apparently, wandering the little closes off either side of the main strip is where it's at. Because this is pretty cool, and compared to what lies down there and the millions of tourists, that's pretty cool. Wouldn't you say?
Yeah.
DHL represent. Oh my goodness. I love these roofs behind you though.
Yeah,
It's so
beautiful.
cool. The view is really pretty too.
Stunning.
And so is this guy. He's pretty stunning.
Okay, what's this castle called?
It's called Edinburgh Castle.
Oh, that's a good name.
Okay.
What up, Edinburgh Castle?
What up there, James? There's the asshole and the castle. I don't actually think you're an asshole. I just thought it rhymed funny. Because sweetheart and castle just doesn't rhyme. Aww. Did you want to know a fun fact?
I think I know the fun fact.
Oh. Do you want to share the fun fact with the camera?
Yeah, I'll share the fun fact. Edinburgh Castle was actually built on a big volcano.
It's built on a no longer active volcano, we should probably specify.
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
a volcano right there.
Yeah,
It's about to blow.
I hope not. Seeing as the castle is there and has been there for hundreds of years, so I think the volcano is pretty dormant. But you never know. You never volcano. I don't think it's gonna show up on camera, but there's a V of birds for Mom. Look at the V! Maybe we can circle it knowingly like all those videos with the circle and the arrow. Pictures with flowers, brought to you by Howie. Yep, that's my style. We're walking through a cool park, and we're gonna go get some beers and maybe some bread and bring it back to our beautiful Airbnb and relax a bit before we go out on a night adventure.
Yeah, there's a lot to see here in Edinburgh.
Ton of stuff to see.
There's a lot of stuff to see in Belfast too.
Yeah, that's true.
Remember when we saw that old man with like a white beard and like a dress with a bad wig, just licking his lips all creepy? But like a scruffy white beard.
And like a crinkly purple like calf-length skirt.
Kind of sparkly.
Yeah, kind of sparkly.
Yeah.
That was the highlight of Belfast, wasn't
Beautiful lady.
it? Beautiful lady. Why are we talking about Belfast?
I don't know. We're in Edinburgh.
We're in Edinburgh.
So check this out.
Yeah.
Hello.
It's neat to travel and see things at night, isn't it?
Yeah, I like nighttime exploration for sure.
Yeah, it's just bad for camera. Down here's pretty cool. Don't want to drop the GoPro, but look at that. Is this the street that inspired the Diagon Alley? I think it is. Pretty sure it is. Diagon Alley. Look at that corner there. That's so cool with the little building hanging off the top.
So if you're in the market for a wand?
Yeah, or at least a Death Eater's wand.
Yeah, one place to go.
Yeah.
Whatever this thing's called.
It's got a ton of Harry Potter paraphernalia. And it looks pretty cool. I wish we were here when it was open. We will definitely be coming back when it's open. Guaranteed. Oh, there's Harry Potter mugs. Oh my goodness. There's 3 floors? There's 3 floors! This part of the Royal Mile is fairly abandoned this late at night. The key is to come here early in the morning and late at the night, I'm guessing. But I don't know about the morning thing yet. We'll have to get back to you about that.
So that was our vlog. That was our first day in Edinburgh.
Yeah.
What do you think?
We had a lot of fun. But tomorrow maybe we'll go to Stirling, maybe we'll stay in Edinburgh, we're not really sure. But at least we'll see more of Scotland and it'll be great.
Yeah. Please like and subscribe and all that fun stuff. And we'll catch you next time.
Yeah.
What up, mango and passion fruit sour?
What up, salty kiss, gooseberry ghost?
What up, Beavertown Neck Oil Session IPA?